Welcome back. In this video, we are continuing the series of 1000 GK questions. Today, we are going to discuss about Mahajanabdas and rise of Magadh's most important questions. These 3 videos are already uploaded. If you not watched it, please check it out and continue the video. Links will be provided in the description. So let's start. 1. Magad was an ancient kingdom mainly located at which of the following? Correct answer is B. Southern Bihar. 2. Girivaraj and Vaishali were the 2 capitals of Magad during the reign of which of the following ruler? Correct answer is B. Shishunga. 3. 16 great powers, Mahajanpadas, existed in which century? Correct answer is B. 7th and early 6th centuries BC. 4. Which of the following texts does not provide the list of 16 Mahajanabdas? Correct answer is D. Digha Nikaya. 5. In which of the following is the list of 16 Mahajanpadas available? Correct answer is D. Aguttara Nikaya. 6. How many Mahajanabdas were located in the Ganges Valley? Correct answer is A. 10. 7. Which of the following Mahajanpada is the southernmost Mahajanpada? Correct answer is A. Asmaka. 8. The ancient city of Champa is believed to be the capital of Mahajanpada. Correct answer is C. Anga. 9. Which one of the following Mahajanpadas is now not a part of India? Correct answer is D. Gandhar. 10. Which of these was the most powerful Mahajanpada from the 6th to 4th century BCE? Correct answer is B. Magad. 11. Where was the first republican system of the world in 6th century BC? Correct answer is A. Vaishali. 12. During the Mahajanpada era, the capital of the Vajjis was in which of the following cities? Correct answer is B. Vaishali. 13. The feature related to Gana, form of government. Correct answer is D. Ruled by a group of persons. 14. Which one of the following is not the regular taxes collected by the rulers of Mahajanabdas? Correct answer is D. Taxes on family. 15. Which of the following Mahajanpada was situated on the bank of river Godavari? Correct answer is B. Aska. 16. Who defeated the confederacy of Vajji and laid the foundation of the political supremacy of Magad? Correct answer is A. Ajatashatru. 17. Arrange the following Mahajanabdas moving from west to east in the correct order. 1. Avanti. 2. Magad. 3. Matsya. 4. Kosala. Correct answer is C. 3, 1, 4, 2. 18. With reference to the ancient history of India, which among the following states received a royal physician of the Magad Empire when his king was ill? Correct answer is D. Avanti 4. 19. Which of the following Mahajanabdas was not monarchical in nature? Correct answer is C. Shakya. 20. Which one of the following statements about taxes during the rule of Mahajanabdas is incorrect? Correct answer is D. Priests and craft persons were exempted from taxes. 21. Rulers of Mahajanabdas in ancient India collected taxes on crops at the rate of what was produced. Correct answer is C. 1/6. 22. Which of the following statements is not true regarding tax collected by the Rajas of Janpadas? Correct answer is C. Taxes on crops was fixed at 1/4 of what was produced. 23. Which one of the following statements is not true regarding the rise of Magad among the 16 Mahajanabdas? Correct answer is A. The rulers here had won the loyalty of the Gana Sanghas by dividing the land of Magad. 24. What is the correct sequence of Mahajanabdas from west to east? Correct answer is C. Avanti, Chedi, Vatsa, Magad, Anga. 25. Ring wells found in the Mahajanabdas seem to have been used as A. Washing clothes, B. Irrigation, C. Garbage dumps, D. Drainage. Choose the correct option. Correct answer is C, and D. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.